Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Sheets for rental income cash flow models, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. Title the spreadsheet Rental Income Cash Flow Model. Begin by labeling the first row with relevant column headers. Include headers such as property name, month, rental income, expenses, and net cash flow. In the property name column, list the names of the rental properties you manage. In the month column, input the months of the year. Use the first column to reference each property for the corresponding months. Under rental income, input expected rental income for each property and each month. Next, move to the expenses column. Enter estimated monthly expenses such as maintenance, property management fees, and utilities. For the net cash flow column, you'll want to calculate the difference between rental income and expenses. In the first cell of the net cash flow column, enter a formula to subtract expenses from rental income. The formula will look like this, equals C2D2, where C2 is the rental income cell and D2 is the expenses cell for the same property and month. Drag the fill handle down the column to apply this formula to all properties and months. Now, it's time to create a summary section. Below your cash flow model, create a summary area with headers like total income, total expenses, and total net cash flow. To calculate total income, use the formula equals sum, C2C, N, replacing, for total expenses, use the formula equals sum, D2 laughing face, N, in the appropriate cell. Calculate total net cash flow using equals sum, E2E, N, in its respective cell. Consider adding conditional formatting to highlight negative cash flow months. Go to Format in the menu, select Conditional Formatting, and set rules for visual cues. Add graphs to visualize data trends over time. Highlight your cash flow data, go to Insert, and select Chart. Choose the chart type that best represents your data, such as a line or bar. Adjust the chart settings for better clarity. Finally, label your chart appropriately. Review the entire sheet for accuracy and clarity. Your rental income cash flow model is now complete and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.